Hello and welcome to an overview of Xplan Mortgage, its dashboard and some settings. Once you have logged in, you're greeted with the dashboard. Now your dashboard may appear different to this. This one is a full license where you have mortgage sourcing module, protection sourcing module and the advice. To give you an overview then, on your left hand side you've got the option to select a new client from scratch, building the full fact find. Look out for another video which will go into more detail of how to do that. As well, in this section you have the option to source a mortgage quote. So by putting very little information in, you can quickly go in, similar to TryGold, and source a mortgage quote, and the same with the protection. The next section you have is the tasks. So these are tasks that you have to complete. You can complete them by selecting the drop down and marking as complete once you have completed them. Within here as well, you can select new tasks. So if you have something coming up that you need a reminder or a task, you can select by using the drop down and then freehanding the subject and the description. You can assign it to yourself, or if you know you have to assign it to someone else within your team, as long as they have access, you can start typing their name and then it'll be assigned to that individual by selecting save. As well as new tasks, you can search for tasks for your tasks that you have for yourself, as well as tasks for individuals, again within your organization. So by selecting their name and then search, you'll see all the outstanding tasks that Becky has to complete. The next section you have is the recent clients. So these are the most recent clients that I've been working on. It will show up to 5. Again, you can create a new client as well as over here, which we alluded to earlier. But you can also search for a client. So this is handy where if you have missed a call from an individual, you can use the option of the phone number, and by placing the number in and then selecting search, that will bring up that individual and you can jump straight into that client. There's a number of ways you can search by their name, street, postcode, town and their email address, and again you can search for yourself or for individuals within your organization. After clients, you have cases. So these are the most recent cases you've been working on. So you might have an individual that you're working on for a mortgage case. You can easily jump into that case. And continue with it. Or you can search a case. So again, you can search for the client's name. You can search for your own, or again, individual within your organization, the status of it, and the type. To be a mortgage protection, depending on what module that you currently have. If you've seen a pattern, you can always press cancel to go back to the previous screen, or if you hit the top left, Iress logo will always bring you back to the main dashboard. Then the final section that we have is the diary. So like any other diary system within a CRM system or a system that you may be using, you can search for all your existing appointments that you've got coming up, or if you wanted to create a new appointment, you can do here by filling in the relevant details, freehanding the description, again putting it for yourself or someone else within your organization, and then just putting the client's details, so their name. By hitting save, then that will save the appointments to your diary and will be displayed within this section here. Also, just bring your attention to the best buys. These are updated every day. You can change what is displayed either from the purchase. You might want to be looking at the best fixed rates for today, tracker, remortgage, first-time buyers or buy-to-let, and all this information is based on a 75% loan to value. And as I said, that's updated every day. So that's an overview of the dashboard. And say we have many other videos going through different aspects of Xplan Mortgage, so check those out soon.